How to erase and reset your Mac to factory settings. This will delete all your data and settings and restore the device to factory conditions, and here is how to do it. First of all, tap on the Apple icon at the top left corner, and from the drop down tap on the System Settings or System Preferences according to your macOS version. Once done so, from the left hand side panel tap on the General option available there. Once inside the General, scroll down unless you see Transfer or Reset option available there and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can clearly see Erase option available there. Erase content and settings. Tap on it, and all you have to do is enter your Mac password in order to continue to erase your MacBook. This is especially useful if you are selling or giving away your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.